पाशामेलारम सिगाची फार्मा फैक्ट्री में धमाके के मामले पर रियासती वजीर जी विवेक ने कहा कि धमाका मामले में 10 लोग लापता हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि इस मामले में हमें आज हतमी आदाद शुमार मिल जाएंगे कि कितने लोगों की मौत हुई है। हुकूमत ने इसकी वजूहात का पता लगाने के लिए कमेटी तश्कील दी है।
Actually, almost the number which was there, they are coming to a close decision. Only 10 people are missing. Out of them, few are identified. Let us wait. By the end of the day today, we'll get the final figure of how many people have died. And government has already instituted a committee to find out what is the main reasons and who are the culprits in this. So we will shortly get an interim report. We have told them, although we have given them 1 month's time, we are asking them to give an interim report as what is the reason, so that we can take necessary action. So until the interim report comes, we are not in a position to take decisions. In the meanwhile, we have ensured, government has put pressure on the company and asked them to announce 1 crore benefit to the kith and kin of the persons who have expired in this incident. The total figure is around more than 38. So we will know the correct figures by the end of the day. We have also told that 10 lakhs should be paid to people who are injured and another 5 lakhs to people who are